Muigana wa athaki matanyihire 32 ni umerigiriro kambini ya mehaririria ya timu ya bururi gabira-ini ka maguru Harambee Starlets kunora icoka mbere ya ngucanio cia kweherania gitaro-ini kia Afrika mwena wa Nyarari kurwo mwaki gatagata-ini ka mweri twerekeire bururi-ini wa Ghana. Hamwe na athaki aria mari kambini ya mehaririria ni hamwe na Corazon Aquino, Mary Kinuthia, Rodumwe na Christine Nafula aria marari bururi-ini wa Sweden kugeria gwetha kanya na irabu cia bururi uyu.
European side is going to be like the way we are going to play here. It is tactically different from them, but with the exposure there, I'm going to carry forward to the players here, and also they are going to learn from me, and we are going to take it higher.
Gukirigwo kocha wa Nyararishi David Oumani onanitie mwihoko munene akiuga timu ire gathi Ghana kurugamirira bururi-ini njega makiria gukira ya mwaka wa 2016 riria Kenya yanyitire itemi rita ria mbere ngucanio-ini cia gitaru kia Afrika bururi-ini wa Cameroon.
In terms of the quality, so the situation is we have bridged the gap in terms of the experience level, because over these past years, since 2016, we have played more international matches. So I think having won against Equatorial Guinea here in Machakos and losing away, creating a 3-2 aggregate, for me as a coach, I think it develops the players to a new stature.
Naweza sema this time ni tuweze kuimprove, kwa sababu ukiangalia last edition tuliweza ku lose game zote, so tukiweza kupata win this time na tuweze kucheza vizuri ili tuweze kupata win, itakuwa ni motivation kwetu. Ndio.
Kenya igitwo thiini wa Pool B na bururi wa Nigeria, Zambia, Rodumwe na South Africa. Mbere ya ngucanio cikorwo mwaki, Kenya ni gathaka ngucanio cia kiurata na bururi wa Ghana, Rodumwe na bururi wa Uganda guku mucii wa Nairobi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.